If you could completely offload your most hated daily task to a digital worker for less than the cost of a daily cup of coffee, would you do it? Think about the last time you looked at your business bank account and realized you are working 80 hours a week just to keep up with basic administrative chaos. Picture this. Your email inbox is sorting itself, your client appointments are booking themselves, and your outstanding invoices are chasing themselves down while you sleep. If you are a brick-and-mortar store owner, a local service contractor, or an independent consultant, you are likely suffering from operational exhaustion. The hidden trap in modern business is not a lack of hustle. It is the silent drain of manual data entry that keeps your revenue stuck. In this video, I am going to show you how a massive shift in 2026 is allowing local businesses to deploy simple zero-code AI employees to permanently reclaim 20 hours every single week. If you ignore this change, you will continue spending your weekends trapped under a mountain of paperwork while your competitors scale their profits on pure autopilot. But if you stay until the very last second of this script, you will possess the exact setup blueprint to activate your first autonomous digital worker before this weekend arrives. This is not a complicated coding guide. It is not a technical lecture about algorithms, and it uses simple, everyday terms that anyone can understand. This is the ultimate, straightforward operational playbook designed to give you your life back while multiplying your company's efficiency. To understand why this technology is spreading so rapidly, we have to look at recent small business data. Right now, market studies show that over 58% of small business owners using autonomous tools have successfully freed up over 20 hours of manual labor every month. Even more shocking is that nearly 1/3 of all local service businesses have officially integrated at least one background digital assistant into their daily routines. The massive divide between business owners who are completely burnt out and the ones scaling effortlessly comes down to one single strategy: digital delegation. You do not need a computer science degree, you do not need a massive tech budget, and you do not need to change how you sell your services to start. You just need to pick one boring, repetitive task and hand it over to a specialized software agent. To successfully implement this system, you must first understand exactly what an AI agent does differently than an old-school computer tool. An old-school tool requires you to constantly log in, type out information, and manually click buttons to get a result. An AI agent is a smart, autonomous software worker that can monitor your business apps, make real-time decisions based on your rules, and complete entire multi-step projects completely on its own. There are three major operational bottlenecks, where everyday business owners are launching these digital assistants to save hours of labor right now. Your only assignment today is to examine these three workflows, pinpoint the exact chore that drains your personal energy, and automate that single loop first. Workflow number 1 is autonomous lead triage and instant response routing. Think about how much money your business leaves on the table simply because you were driving, eating dinner, or working on a job site when a new customer inquiry arrived. An AI lead agent can live directly inside your email inbox, your contact forms, or your social media direct messages. The exact millisecond a new quote request drops in, the agent reads the message, extracts the client's core needs, and references your preset pricing rules. It instantly drafts a flawless, professional reply, attaches your service options, and places it directly into your draft folder for a quick one-click approval. This drops your customer response time from a 6-hour average down to under 2 minutes, capturing hot leads before they ever have a chance to contact your competitors. Workflow number 2 is automated operational bookkeeping and transaction matching. Managing receipts, categorizing expenses, and preparing your monthly sheets is one of the most widely hated tasks in entrepreneurship. An autonomous operational agent can completely handle this financial busywork by connecting securely to your transaction streams. Every time an expense occurs, the agent automatically reads the digital receipt, extracts the vendor data, and matches it to the correct budget category with near-perfect accuracy. If a receipt is completely missing or a charge looks unusual, the agent compiles a neat weekly exception list for you to review in under 5 minutes. Instead of losing an entire weekend at the end of the month wrestling with messy numbers, your bookkeeping is safely updating itself every single morning. Workflow number 3 is hands-free client onboarding and document collection. For professional service providers, freelancers, and agency owners, welcoming a new client usually requires a frustrating week of back-and-forth communication. An automated onboarding agent completely simplifies this process by triggering the exact moment a client signs your contract. The agent immediately builds a secure client portal, generates a personalized welcome message, and emails a clear checklist to collect their onboarding documents. If the client forgets to upload their information, the agent sends out gentle, automated reminders on a set schedule until the files are safely submitted. What used to require 3 days of manual email follow-ups is transformed into a seamless 3-hour background routine that makes your brand look incredibly professional. To run these digital employees without experiencing any technical confusion, you only need to look at modern, visual automation platforms. The absolute best part about modern AI tools is that they are built with simple drag-and-drop interfaces made specifically for non-technical teams. Your primary reasoning tool is an advanced language platform like Lindy AI, which allows you to configure full digital workers using plain conversational English. Your central connection bridge is a user-friendly platform like Zapier or Make, which simply passes information smoothly from one daily app to another. For instance, you can create a simple rule stating that whenever a new customer reviews your business online, that text should go straight to your AI worker. The agent immediately analyzes the comment, drafts a custom, appreciative response, and posts it live to instantly boost your local search ranking. This transforms a task that used to clutter your evening to-do list into an automated background process that builds local reputation while you focus on high-value operations. Deploying your very first digital employee does not require changing your entire company overnight. It can be achieved easily in a single quiet afternoon. Begin by looking over your calendar from the past 2 weeks and isolating the single most repetitive task that continuously distracts you from making money. If your biggest operational headache is lead qualification, spend an hour typing out your basic service rules, target customer profiles, and standard project questions. Provide this text guide to your chosen software tool so it possesses a clear, accurate understanding of how your business qualifies new opportunities. Run a few simple practice tests to ensure the system processes information correctly, and then safely activate your automated assistant. If you want to focus on client onboarding, spend an hour organizing your digital welcome files and setting up your automated email trigger. Instruct your tool to draft 3 distinct client updates based on that sequence. Approve the text structure, and let the software manage the delivery. By the time you close your laptop for the evening, a massive portion of your daily administrative burden has been successfully transitioned to automation. Once these basic systems are operational, keeping your digital workplace running smoothly requires less than 30 minutes of total weekly supervision. You do not need to sit and watch the software work. You simply check a single summary dashboard once a day to maintain absolute visibility. For your response and booking assistance, you can spend 10 minutes on a Monday morning reviewing your pre-written drafts to officially release the communications. You can spend another 10 minutes checking your calendar to view the brand new customer consultations that were seamlessly secured while you were away from your desk. This quick routine ensures you keep ultimate quality control over your client relationships while allowing the software to perform the tedious data movement. By maintaining this transparent, highly organized oversight, you completely eliminate operational errors and protect your professional brand. While your automated agents manage the baseline administration in the background, you finally possess the freedom to scale your actual service delivery. Expanding your company's profitability does not require sacrificing more of your personal life. It requires maximizing your operational leverage. When you remove your physical hands from the repetitive administrative loop, your business capacity expands dramatically. You can comfortably handle more clients, expand your service radius, or introduce premium packages because you are no longer the central bottleneck slowing down the company. Clients will naturally favor your business because they experience instantaneous communication, flawless documentation, and seamless appointment scheduling at any hour of the day. This elite level of operational efficiency builds immense goodwill, generates stellar local ratings, and secures consistent organic referrals for your business. As your cash flow scales, you can easily instruct your automation ecosystem to take over advanced tasks like onboarding new employees, tracking material inventory, or managing client loyalty programs. This establishes a highly resilient, modern business that protects your personal time while continuously driving bottom-line growth. At the end of the day, a truly elite business owner is not the person who wears a badge of honor for being completely burnt out by basic chores. They are the strategist who implements modern software tools to amplify their personal impact, secure their lifestyle, and build a truly independent asset. The barrier to entry to access autonomous AI agents has completely collapsed, and the interfaces have never been more intuitive for traditional business owners. The leaders who step forward and embrace these systems today are the ones who will reclaim 20 hours a week and secure market share over the coming months. The owners who delay out of habit will remain trapped beneath a mountain of emails, watching their local market transition to automated alternatives. Your entire modern automation roadmap is laid out directly in front of you. Isolate your primary operational headache, select an accessible visual tool, and use this week to launch your very first automated assistant. If this straightforward operational breakdown gave you the exact blueprint you needed to reclaim your calendar, hit the like button right now to help this video reach more dedicated business owners. Leave a comment below sharing the exact daily task that consumes most of your personal energy, and I will personally reply to help you find the absolute easiest software to automate it. Subscribe to the channel immediately, because every single week we deliver highly practical, fluff-free automation strategies designed for the real world. Thank you for watching this guide all the way through, and I will see you in our very next video.